G'day. You're probably stuck at home, in isolation. The kids are hassling you, they're not at school, you're wondering what you can do. And you've probably got a few of these kicking around. Because let's face it, every household probably does. Well, they've got to be somewhere because they're not in the supermarkets. As they empty, what do you do with them? You can pop them in the recycle bin, but I've come up with a few little things you can do around the house, try and keep the kids and the adults entertained. Two tin cans and a bit of string can make you a mobile telephone. Great for keeping social distancing, even with the neighbours. Hey Bob, you over there buddy? Have you got any spare toilet roll? No answer. He mustn't be home. Check out these things, old school stilts. Not real high, but good for the kids. And if you're still looking for something to do, you can always practice for next time the carnival's in town.